Hello everyone, a hearty welcome to Smile Kids channel. Today we are going to solve two-digit squares in fraction of seconds using the rapid trick. Now let's solve few examples using the rapid trick. Example number 1. We need to find 74 square. Step number 1. Find the squares of 7 and 4. 4 square is 16 and 7 square is 49. So it will be 4916. Now let's move to step number 2. Multiply 7, 4 and 2. 7 times 4 is 28. 28 times 2 is 56. Now let's move to step number 3. Step number 3, we need to add 4916 and 56 by leaving one place from right side. So we need to leave this place. We can assume it as 0 also. 6 plus 0 is 6. 1 plus 6 is 7. 9 plus 5 is 14. 1 carry over. 4 plus 1 is 5. So by adding we get the result as 5476. 74 square is 5476. Now let's move to example 2. What is 62 square? Step number 1, we need to find the squares of 6 and 2. 2 square is 4, but we need to keep a 0 on the left since we need to gain a two-digit number. 6 square is 36. So it will be 3604. Now let's move to step number 2. Step number 2 says us to multiply 6, 2 and 2. So when we multiply 6 and 2 we get 12. 12 and 2 we get 24. Now let's move to step number 3. Here in step number 3 we will be adding 3604 and 24 by leaving one place from right side. So we have to leave this place. We can assume it as 0. 4 plus 0 is 4. 0 plus 4 is 4. 6 plus 2 is 8 and 3 as it is. So it will be 3844. 62 square is 3844. Now let's move to example number 3. Before moving to example number 3, if you haven't yet liked the video, do like the video now. And if you are new to our channel, subscribe our channel Smiley Kids. Example number 3. 12 square is equal to. Step number 1. Find the squares of 1 and 2. 2 square is 4, but you need to keep a 0 to the left. And 1 square is 1. You need to keep a 0 to the left. So it will be 0, 1, 0, 4, which is nothing but 104. Step number 2, we need to multiply 1, 2 and 2. When we multiply 1, 2 and 2, we get the answer as 04, which is nothing but 4. Now let's move to step number 3. In step number 3, we need to add 104 and 04 by leaving one place from right side. So we can leave this place or assume it as 0. 4 plus 0 is 4. 0 plus 4 is 4. 1 plus 0 is 1. So it will be 144. 12 square is 144. Now let's move and solve example number 4. In example 4, we need to solve 40 square. Without using trick, we can solve 40 square easily. 40 square means 40 multiplied by 40. 4 fours is 16. The left out zeros you can add it at the end. That will be 1600. So you can either prefer this method or also you can prefer the trick. Let's try it by using the trick. Step 1. Find the squares of 4 and 0. 0 square will be 0. Add another 0 since we need to have a 2-digit number, right? And 4 square is 16. Now let's move to step number 2. Multiply 4, 0 and 2. When any number is multiplied by 0, we get the answer as 0, right? Now let's move to step number 3. Step number 3, we need to add 1600 and 0 by leaving one place from right side, right? So this place we need to leave or else we can assume it as 0. 0 plus 0 is 0. Again 0 plus 0 is 0. 16 will be as it is, right? So it will be 1600. So 40 square is 1600. Now let's solve example number 5. In example 5, we need to solve 99 square. Step 1. Find the squares of 9 and 9. So we'll find the squares of 9 and 9. 9 square is 81. Again 9 square is 81. So it will be 8181. Right? Now let's move to step number 2. In step number 2, we need to multiply 9, 9 and 2. 9 times 9 is 81. 81 times 2 is 162. So we get the answer as 162. Now let's move to step number 3. Step number 3, we need to add 8181 and 162 by leaving one place from right side. So we can leave this place or assume it as 0. 1 plus 0 is 1. 8 plus 2 is 10. 1 carry over. And 0 at the bottom. 6 plus 1 is 7. 7 plus 1 is 8. And 8 plus 1 is 9. So we get the answer as 9801. So 99 square is 9801. Now it's time to have a question. 92 square. You need to find the square of 92 and you need to comment your answer below. So have to find 92 square. Use the rapid trick and solve in fraction of seconds and let me know in the comments below. Okay. So first of all, step 1 is to find the squares of 9 and 2. We need to find the squares of 9 and 2. Next is to multiply 9, 2 and 2. Step 2 is to multiply 9, 2 and 2. Third step is to add whatever the result you get in step 1 and step 2. You need to add them up in this step 3. Okay, you need to add them up in the step 3 by leaving one place from right side. So do comment your answer in the comments below. Fine. Thank you for watching. Hope you like this video. If you find this helpful, do like, share, comment, and for all the more updates on all the learning needs, subscribe our channel Smiley Kids.